White heavy checkmark common English mistakes correct vs incorrect. Keycap 1. Crossmark incorrect, I am agree with you. White heavy checkmark correct, I agree with you. Keycap 2. Crossmark incorrect, he do his work daily. White heavy checkmark correct, he does his work daily. Keycap 3. Crossmark incorrect, I didn't went to school. White heavy checkmark correct, I didn't go to school. Keycap 4. Crossmark incorrect, she is my cousin's sister. White heavy checkmark correct, she is my cousin. Keycap 5. Crossmark incorrect, I am having 2 brothers. White heavy checkmark correct, I have 2 brothers.